But with me, I normally, or the concept I trade is all about following the footsteps of the market makers, trying
Okay.
to see their footprint on the market. So I always use their concept to trade. So this is what happens on the perspective of the market makers. They buy at a discount and then they sell at a premium. All right.
Yeah.
So for a discount, let's say let's just take it on a normal basis. You go to a shop whereby you are buying something in bulk, all right? Because I mean the market makers, they are the ones that put in loads of money on the market. So you go to a shop and then you are buying something in bulk. Won't you ask the seller to give you a discount?
Yes. Kind of. True.
Yes. Imagine you're a seller. Are you not willing to buy to sell your goods at a higher price so that you get a lot of profit?
Yes.
Yes. So that is what goes on the forex market. The market makers will always buy at a discount and sell at a premium. That is why you've been seeing or you've been hearing about manipulations in the market.
Okay.
And it's all normal because I mean, whenever they come into the market, as to where they are buying, they always want to buy at a lower price.
Okay.
Yeah, so where price is currently, maybe it is not really at the price they want to buy. So they will definitely have to move price lower,
Okay.
yeah, before you see buys in the market. And for sales too, they always want to sell at a higher price. So in an instance where they want to sell and price isn't too favorable for them to sell, they'll just move price to a higher price. So they'll move price higher for them to sell to
Okay.
get profit.
Okay. So that they sell. Mm.
So I mean, manipulations are normal in the market. Manipulations are always normal in the market. So this is how I do it. Before I trade, whatever time frame I find myself in, I try to identify my dealing range. So if I say my dealing range, what I'm simply talking about is my highest high and then my lowest low,
Okay.
depending on the time frame I'm in. So let's take this for example. Are you seeing my screen?
Sure. I can see.
Okay. So let's take this for example, all right? We are in a daily time frame. And do you agree with
Okay.
me that so I'm taking this range, this high,
Okay.
and then this low
Okay.
as my range.
Mm.
All right.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll just pull the Fib, that is the Fibonacci, and then I'll locate my low and then pull it to my high. All right. Now with the Fibonacci, I've made a little tweak on it. All right. So if you want to use it right after the session, I'll just screenshot the settings to you so that you set it
Okay.
just as I've done. All right. So as you can
Okay.
see, we are seeing I seen 50% here.
Yes, I see
Yeah.
60%.
So
I feel that you don't use 38.2, eh?
no. I don't use that. This is what I
Okay.
use for my Fibonacci. Yeah. So
Okay.
each
So I can see from 0 straight to 50. Okay.
yes. So anything on the 50 line, anything on the 50 line is what I call equilibrium. So equilibrium means price is balanced.
Okay.
So so I'll call this. Let me just label it. By the way, I'm recording, so when I'm done, I'll just send you the recording. Right?
Oh, okay. That will also be very fine.
So that is equilibrium. So anything on the 50 line, I will term it as equilibrium. Let me just. Yeah. So now anything above the 50 line, that will be my premium. So anything above the 50th line, that is going to be my premium. So here is my premium. And then anything below the 50th line, that will be my discount.
Discount, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So anytime I want to sell in the market, first of all, what I'll do is I'll look for my range. What range am I in? Where is my highest high? And then where is my lowest low in the time frame I'm in? So the daily, this is our highest high and then this is our lowest low. So between the highest high and then the lowest low will be our range. So you expect, so I'll be trading within this range. Once this range is violated either to the upside or to the downside, I'll just look for a different or a new range to trade inside. So yeah. So now each time I want to buy, I'll just first of all I'll just find my range and then I'll figure it out as to whether price is in a discount or in a premium. I don't buy the market when price is in a premium. I mean, it doesn't make sense. You get it?
Yeah.
Yes, it doesn't make sense to buy when price is in a premium. So at a premium area, that is where market makers are trying to figure out where to sell. So within a discount, that is where market makers are trying to figure out where to buy. So before you trade, you really have to do this. You really have to find your daily range, your highest high, your highest low, and then you check as to whether price is in a discount. So at the moment, price is in a discount. Price in a discount. So on Euro GBP, I'm actually expecting price to I'm expecting price to get into this area, all right, and then bounce to the upside. So this is my expectation currently on Euro GBP. Because currently price is in an area of discount. So if price is in an area of discount, what I should be looking for is buy opportunities, not sell opportunities. All right. If price is currently in equilibrium, all that I'll have to do is to wait and see where price goes next. Either it goes into the area of premium or goes into the area of discount. I'll just have to wait and see where it goes so that I'll be able to make good informed decisions. I hope it's clear.
Yeah, it's very clear. But what will be your what do we call it? What will be your entry signal? Does it mean that when just a wick
Yeah.
of one of the candles just enter into the deep discount zone, do you want the body or just the wick will even do it for you?
Oh, just a week.
As a deep discount. Just a week will do for
Just
you.
a week. I don't need to see the body. Just a week. All right. It normally happens. As price is coming down, it will just wick this area. You will just see a wick.
Oh,
Yeah. So I'll just have to move to my lower time frame and then look for breaking market structures, return to origin, and yeah, then I'll just place my trade. So I don't need to see all the body in my zone before I place entry.
oh,
Yeah, I don't.
that's
Yeah, yeah. That is what people term as sniper entries. But I mean, it's not just any complicated thing.
That thing, yeah.
Yeah. It is not. It's not any complicated thing here. Let's just look at another page. Let's look at another page and see what is happening. Okay.
Okay.
So let's look at this. All right. Wait. Let me just
Okay.
use different one. This one, label it. I hope you are getting it.
Yeah, I'm following.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Ma, okay. I hurry, I'm back. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for that.
Oh, don't worry. Okay. So let's see. So with this, do you agree that this area is my high?
Okay. But I have a question for you.
Okay.
Which time frame do you term as ideal in trying to identify premium and discount zones?
Oh, normally I use the daily and then the 4 hour time frame.
Okay, the dealing the 4 hour.
Yeah. The 1 hour and then I normally use the 1 hour and 15 minutes as entries.
Entries. Okay,
Yeah.
because there's a lot of noise in the 1 hour and
Yeah.
15
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah. So normally I use the daily and then the 4 hour. So
4 hour.
yeah,
Okay.
so long term basis, I'll look at the weekly and then
Okay.
the daily and then the 4 hour. For the monthly, I go there just once a while. Let's say the month is ending or the third
Okay.
quarter of every quarter of the year. That is where I go to the monthly time frame and see what is happening there.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's fine.
yeah. So this is also my low. So we're able to establish a range.
Okay.
Right,
So
this
the lower.
high and then this low. So I'll just pull my feet. You see, when you do it over and over again, sometimes you don't even have to even pull the feet. By extension, you should see where your price is currently. You get it. So this is it. Let me just. So that is it. So as you can see, price is currently below the 50% range.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can conclude that price is still in an area of what discount.
Okay.
Right, you can see that price is in an area of discount on the daily time frame. When you move to lower time frame, the story will be different.
So,
All right, that is why I said dependent on on the time frame you are in.
mhm.
So once you move to a lower time frame, the story will be different. All right. So
Perfect.
let's move to a lower time frame to and see. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So with the 4 hour time frame, you could still see that you are still in the area of discount because if you have this as your highest high, and then if you have this as your lowest low, and the price is almost near to your lowest low, it is in an area of discount. I want us to
Yeah.
move to a lower time frame to see if to yeah. So let's this is the 1 hour time frame. All right. So
Yeah.
let's identify our range. So we are taking this low and then this high. So with this price is currently above the 50% range. So that tells us that price is in a discount. Sorry, it's in a premium.
Premium.
All right. Yeah.
Sure.
So with this, you're not expected to buy using this as your range. You should expect price to start falling.
Oh.
Yeah, you should expect price to start falling. All right. So that is it for the discount and then premium. What I told you about the last time.
Last time. But
Yeah.
you know that this concept is similar to the concept of double bottoms and double tops. I don't know whether you know about that.
Oh, okay. Well, I used to trade that, but for now,
Yeah.
I trade the smart money concept.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I trade the smart money concept. I don't.